You can illustrate something and then make an interesting little animated reel for your Instagram. I have my Photoshop open, and for this step, like just blocking in shapes, I will use my selection tools and grab us some like grayscale and transform that and put that into place. I am going to create a new layer with just Control-Shift-N, and I'm gonna turn that to a clipping mask, and I'm gonna make sure I'm on like a soft round brush. I'm gonna set the brush mode, not the blending mode, but the brush mode to dissolve. Putting it onto a soft round brush or anything that's like very feathered like that, you can actually use the dissolve brush mode to create like kind of a noisy blend brush, which I absolutely love. I love darken so much because I feel like it adds just the right amount of like sinister color. We're gonna kind of twist Merry Christmas into a spooky creepmas. I think the Mystery Machine has like these like strange flower designs, right? We can put some like purple vibes in it. Let's zoom in here and start to make this look a little bit more like a material. Using dissolve on brushes that are textured, like this like kind of charcoaly Aran brush, it is actually pretty darn cool. So I'm gonna grab my brush, I'm gonna turn my dissolve on here, and I'm just gonna scoop down. And I'm using kind of a subdued yellowy color because we're gonna throw it on a blend mode. I think overlay will probably work, and I'm going to Control U to open hue and saturation. I also want to put a spot of light here.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna turn this into a smart object. And all I did here was double tap that icon to open what I converted to a smart object. And I've just hidden that. And so now I can hit Control S to save and then close that. And when I come over here, it is now without its flowers. I'm going to sketch with like a dark purple.
That's looking pretty good.
Let's put just a tiny bit of texture in here. I think this is cool. Let's do one spot of light. And I'm gonna open my libraries and I'm gonna throw this little guy right in there. So we have these, and maybe one drops right here. We're gonna do a cool little animation. Let's go ahead and flip this one. I want it to drop in front, so let's reorganize our layers. I think I can change the background color to like a, let's do like a custom. I'm gonna do animation real quick. Honestly, drop is perfect, but I want it to, let's do bungee. You can select a loop. I think Bob probably is gonna be it. So I'm going to show layer timing. So the first one comes in at the very beginning of our video. The second one, I'm gonna bump this. Just
so that way they come in a little separately.
So we can do like fog, and let's throw like a duotone onto it.
Yes.
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
That looks pretty cool.
That's kind of cool. And then I would just have like some text fly down. Scary creep mess. That's kind of cute.
That's pretty,
you know? That's kind of cute.
Kind of fits.
Yeah. Another thing that's cool is the dynamic lockup. It'll create a cool lockup for you. And let's center that. I'm going to turn that to an orange color. You really can build a legitimate scene with this, and you can make some really, really fun custom animations and reels for your social media this way.
Thanks everyone for joining. Thanks for all your comments. And thank you for sharing all of your wonderful skills and knowledge and passion for all things creepy.
Bye guys.
All right, take care everyone.